Um, Look at her and look at the audacity she has. साल में एक या दो बार लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट पोस्ट करेगी एंड देन शी इज MIA like nobody's business. Then she'll start with short form content and then she's MIA. भाई कैसे बनोगी कंटेंट क्रिएटर? बट इस साल हमने प्रण लिया है और ये सच्ची वाला प्रण है कि कंटेंट क्रिएशन की जर्नी शुरू करनी है एंड वो भी कंसिस्टेंटली. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम, let's welcome me, that is Avni Talwar, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. साल शुरू हो चुका है and what better way to start it than showing you an empties video. Hey, if you are someone who's going to purchase something ahead, pause it, ये वीडियो देख लो and then maybe buy some things that you really like. एंड जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स है उनके सारे डिस्क्रिप्शन, प्राइजेस एंड एवरीथिंग will be in the description box down below. There will also be a link if you want to purchase it. You can click on it and let's move ahead. And by the way, late to the party, but happy new year. Now I'm going to start with body care and skincare. For body care, the first product that I really want to share is this body lotion by Parachute. If you ask me for body lotion, I am a fan of brands like Vaseline, Nivea and Parachute. मुझे ये छोटी सी बॉटल चाहिए थी बिकॉज आइडियली जब भी मैं बड़ी बॉटल्स खरीद लेती हूँ या तो वो खत्म नहीं होते एंड फॉर सम गॉडडैम रीजन इट जस्ट वैनिशेस एंड आई डिडंट वांट दैट. सो देयर वाज एन ऑफर ऑफ गेटिंग दिस बॉटल फॉर 97 एंड इसके साथ एक और जो बॉडी लोशन था वो फ्री था. मैंने इसे ऑलमोस्ट एग्जॉस्ट कर लिया है. ये लास्ट का कुछ पार्ट बचा है. विथ मी माई ब्रदर ऑल्सो यूजेस दिस बॉडी लोशन. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ दिस. इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट, इट्स नॉट हैवी. आई एम अ पर्सन हु विल स्वेट लाइक नोबडीज बिजनेस एंड मैं अभी भी जो बॉडी लोशन है वो सुबह नहीं लगा के जाती हूँ बिकॉज पहली बात तो मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ एंड मुंबई में इतनी गर्मी है इवन इन विंटर्स. So I have literally not found any body lotion as such जो इतना thin हो and it also moisturizes my body. So what I do is I moisturize my body at night after a very warm shower, and for that even this body lotion works out really well. The fragrance of this body lotion is so good. You just apply it, it's really soft and you just go off to sleep and trust me, you wake up like a chocolate, right? It's that amazing. So if you are someone who's looking out to purchase body lotions, maybe give this a try. This is also very compact and very travel friendly. Who travels a lot, I think this will work out really well for you. So it gets a big thumbs up from me. I have recently got into chemical peels and I love this chemical peel. Honestly बोलूँ तो ये मेरा नहीं, मेरी mom का है. She doesn't uses this often and I got my hands on this and I was like, let me give this a try. You will not see the results immediately, but after 1 or 2 uses, you start seeing that clarity on your face, especially if you have very heavy texture. Yes, you do see that. This is what the product is and it retails for around 450 rupees. वैसे तो महंगे महंगे products सब मैं मेरी मम्मी के ढाप लेती हूँ because why am I then here? Two things that I notice is that if I'm shaving my face or I've just got done with mask or something, I will not apply it on that particular day. I might take a break for like a day or two. ये break के बाद ही because it will tingle a lot if you do it immediately after shaving your face or you know you've just got threading and everything. If you ask me, do I love this chemical peel? Yes, I do. Am I crazy about it? No. But since I'm at an experimental phase, I think this experiment has gone really right. So now talking about toner, ये जो toner है मेरी mom ने मुझे गिफ्ट किया था मेरे बर्थडे पे and then finally after 3 महीने बाद मैंने इसे पूरा इस्तेमाल किया है. I can't even pronounce this brand, so I'm just gonna show you and save myself as an embarrassment. It's a moisturizing toner. Ideally, I do not use a lot of toners, but with this one, it really does close your pore. Not in a way that it's gonna dry your skin out. ये actual में बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है. The only thing is you need to use a very tiny bit of it and then you're good to go. This retails for around 1,200. You ask me, I might not repurchase it again, but yeah, is it a good experience to use it? Definitely. Talking about face moisturizer, now do not judge me when you see this. Well, I'm talking about this oil-free moisturizer. This is such a lightweight moisturizer that I ended up not liking it. Hear me out. I am that kind of a person who wants their moisturizer to be heavy, even if I have like combination skill. मुझे चाहिए कि यार पूरे दिन मुझे बाद में ऐसा ड्राइनेस फील ना हो. Now this moisturizer is very lightweight and I did not feel that it is nourishing my skin. मुझे ना ऐसा चाहिए कि when I apply moisturizer ना वो बाउंसी इफेक्ट, वो ग्लॉस होना चाहिए. अब मुझे वही चाहिए. I don't want it to change. So for me, this did not work out. Though it's an oil-free moisturizer, not blaming the brand, but it just didn't sit right for me. I don't think I'm gonna repurchase it again. Okay, now let's talk about sunscreens. You will see two options. Sunscreen मैं बार बार खरीदती रहती हूँ and I am talking about Fix Derma's sunscreen. I've been purchasing Fix Derma का sunscreen before it was a thing. मैं randomly Amazon में scroll कर रही थी, saw this, took a bait, bought it, and I've loved this. मैं बहुत सारे sunscreens try करती हूँ, but somehow I come back to this. Now here are the reasons why. Number one, super lightweight. Number two, it doesn't creases or it doesn't give that वो कभी-कभी आप you rub your skin and then the skin starts coming off. It used to happen a lot earlier with my sunscreen, especially जो लोटस के sunscreen होते थे उनके साथ तो बहुत होता था. तो तब से मैंने इसे इस्तेमाल किया है and it doesn't give that effect. The most important thing is ये मेरी आंखों को नहीं चुभता है. Even if I'll apply it here ना, it will not sting. Like it is that good. मेरे लिए ये बहुत सही काम करता है and it's not that expensive. This retails for 280 rupees. आपको डिस्काउंट में से और सस्ता मिल जाएगा. And अगर आपको कोई भी ऐसा सनस्क्रीन चाहिए जो ज्यादा ताम झाम ना हो, सुपर सिंपल हो, go ahead with this one. Talking about the second sunscreen, इसे मैंने क्यों ही खरीदा मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. I have a very bad habit when I'm on Amazon. I will scroll. मैं खरीदने जाती हूँ कुछ और, ढूंढती कुछ और, परचेज कुछ और, add to cart कुछ और हो जाता है. That is how my journey is. Well, I purchased this Bella Vita sunscreen. It was for 197ish around. MRP पे है 399. Now it says SPF 50 and this sunscreen is just not in for me. It leaves that white cast. It really stings my eyes and it is very heavy. And it's not that moisturizing heavy. It's just too heavy. It literally makes my face dull. Till the time I am on the second step of like moisturizing and everything, I'm like glowing and then I apply this sunscreen and I'm like, तो मेरे लिए this is a big no. Even if I was experimenting or even if I had to recommend to somebody, no. Now, let us talk about a very important skincare ritual that I have is removing my makeup and screw all the high premium brands because this baby right here is a family member to me. ये एक ऐसी चीज है ना जिसके पास मैं हमेशा वापस जाऊंगी और इन्हीं के पास जाऊंगी. ये तो भाई सिर्फ मैं यहाँ पे 2 बॉटल दिखा रही हूँ, मैं ऑलरेडी 6 बॉटल फेंक चुकी हूँ. So I always restock it every other month. मैं एक टाइम पे 4-5 बॉटल मंगा लेती हूँ and it is like I'm set. I'm sure you will love this. I personally cannot bear body odor and I do not even want to be one of that person कि मतलब जो body odor से भरा हो. That is just one of my pet peeves. I just don't like it. I have been trying a lot of brands. Dot and Key, I've tried Plum, I've tried Dove, and these are good brands. But none of the brands have fragrance so good and something that will last for more than 72 hours. When the brand says that it is gonna last you 72 hours, kid you not, it is. And I am talking about Rexona deodorant. This is such a good one. देखो सबसे पहली बात तो the brands who are stating कि यार आपके अंडर आर्म्स का पिगमेंट चला जाएगा. मैंने बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के अंडर आर्म रोल ऑन इस्तेमाल किए हैं. मुझे हाल फिलहाल ऐसा कोई ब्रांड दिखा नहीं है कि यार बहुत सही से काम कर रहा है एंड जाएगा. This brand really promises on the fragrance part and it does. You will smell fresh 24 hours, kid you not. If you are someone who's shooting content, who's out there, who's traveling a lot, please आँख बंद करके इसको परचेस कर लो. इसके आई थिंक 3 वेरिएंट्स है and तीनों बहुत कमाल के हैं. मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट ये ग्रीन वेरिएंट है. आँख बंद करके परचेस कर लो चुपचाप. आई कांट इवन बिलीव इट, बट मैंने ना 2 सीरम्स की बॉटल है जो मैंने खत्म किया है, एंड वन इज दिस स्ट्रीक्स. दिस फॉर मी पर्सनली वर्क्स आउट रियली वेल. माई हेयर इज अ वेरी मूडी हेयर. ओके, दैट्स द मोस्ट सिंपल वे आई कैन एक्चुअली एक्सप्लेन इट. उसकी मर्जी है जब उसको सेट होना है, उसकी मर्जी है जब उसको सेट नहीं होना, एंड एट दिस पॉइंट आई हैव इवन गिवन अप. ठीक है, बट व्हेनेवर आई अप्लाई दिस hair serum, it really sets my hair very right. Even the wavy part, it's very soft, it doesn't dry it out, and it's really very lightweight. Genuinely बहुत अच्छा product है. Now next hair serum that I'm talking is this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. I love this on days when I have a lot of styling on the hair going on. It weighs down the hair, definitely does that, but somehow has been an advantage for me because I feel my styling of the hair becomes better when my hair is way down. It does say that थोड़ा heat protecting होता है, though I'm not sure कितना, but बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट है. And if you are someone who's creating content or shooting or needs that styling, इन्वेस्ट ऑन दिस वन फॉर श्योर. कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं ना जिनको आप इस्तेमाल करते हो और फिर सोचते हो कि क्या ही है, क्यों ही इस्तेमाल किया है, बट देन वन डे दे आर लाइक ओह मैजिक. ये है वो प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज मिनिमलिस्ट का मैलिक बॉन्ड रिपेयर कॉम्प्लेक्स. इसे ना जब मैंने खरीदा था ना, मैंने ये ब्लिंकिट से मंगाया था. क्यों? ऑफर चालू था. मैंने मंगाया एंड आई एम लाइक कि क्या ही करेगा. 1 महीना हुआ, 2 महीना हुआ, 3 महीना हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ. 4th month is where ये जो अब ड्राइनेस है ना, उससे बहुत ज्यादा मेरे बाल ड्राई थे. ये बहुत कम हो गया है एंड इट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. एंड इसे ना एकदम थोड़ा सा ही इस्तेमाल करना होता है एंड यू नीड टू अप्लाई इट 30 minutes बिफोर योर शावर. एक्चुअली डज improve your hair quality a lot. Works like a charm, is a charm, go for it. This was the tea tree. ये जो है मैंने खरीदा था एक एग्जीबिशन से, बहुत तगड़ी सेल चालू थी एंड आई परचेज अ बॉडी मॉइस्चराइजर एंड दिस. ये टी ट्री मैंने खरीदा था एक्चुअली मेरे फेस के लिए. मुझे नहीं पसंद आया, बट देन आई रिसर्च दैट टी ट्री ऑयल इज रियली गुड फॉर योर स्कैल्प, स्पेशली इफ यू हैव डैंड्रफ. And guess what? This actually surprised me. It has really helped me with calming my scalp down and my dandruff as well. Especially during winters, it has worked like a charm. You ask me, do you want to use it as a skincare? No. You want to use it as a hair care? Definitely. I will not recommend you to buy it if you don't have the budget for it because market में और भी अच्छे options है. But if you want fancy and you love Body Shop, then you can purchase it. Okay, I got influenced by a lot of influencers who said to go into Ayurvedic or use something which is more natural, and I wanted to try this out. Now this particular bottle, इसका consistency और Wishcare का consistency is exact. I mean it's exactly the same. It feels very light and it has helped in hair growth. And this is one of the experiment which I will be doing for a long time because इसे इस्तेमाल किए कुछ 1.5 months ही हुए हैं. So I cannot से कि हाँ बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स है, थोड़े अच्छे रिजल्ट्स है फॉर श्योर, बट आई विल बी यूजिंग इट फॉर मोर कपल ऑफ मंथ्स एंड देन शेयरिंग माई रिव्यू. But if you are someone who wants to switch into using more natural products and is looking for a lightweight hair serum that you apply before shampooing and not a very heavy oil, go ahead with this one. This is really, really good. So last year I'd gone to an influencer event wherein there were a lot of brands and they were giving out freebies, and that's where I came across with Fix Derma's this shampoo. Care Fall does claim that it's for weak, brittle hair, colored hair, and maybe they are, but यार मेरे साथ ना पूरा opposite हो गया. When I use this shampoo, okay, my hair becomes so brittle, जितना है उससे कई ज्यादा, एंड इट्स जस्ट नॉट फॉर मी. मुझे honestly this is one of the range that I will not recommend somebody to purchase it. So literally when I'm in the shower and I'm using this shampoo, I can see my hair coming out, but I will not recommend anybody to try it. Fix Derma, if you're watching this, please let me know what is wrong with this product because for me everything is wrong with this product. Well, बात करें अगर मेकअप की, तो मैंने अब तक सिर्फ एक ही ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो पूरा एग्जॉस्ट कर दिया है, एंड दैट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस इनसाइट का कंसीलर। मैंने ना ये कंसीलर Amazon से खरीदा है एंड इट इज इन द शेड NC4। नाउ दिस कंसीलर आई हैड बॉट टू वेरिएंट, एक थोड़ा लाइट एक थोड़ा डार्क, एंड आई यूजुअली मिक्स एंड मैच एंड अप्लाई इट। ओ माय गॉड व्हाट अ कंसीलर यार, इनसाइट इज such an underrated brand because this concealer is just too good. I've literally used every bit of it. ये जो मैं लास्ट का भी बचा ना, I mean मैं बता नहीं सकती, दिस इज दैट गुड। मतलब ये अगर आपको आपका शेड मिल जाए और ये कंसीलर दिखे ना, खरीद लो, आंख बंद करके खरीद लो। इजी टू ब्लेंड, stays for a long time, and the coverage is something. If you get it in this budget, go grab it, snatch it, but invest in this, because ever since I've started using this concealer, I have not gone to any other concealers because this matches my shade perfectly and इनके पास काफी shade range है, तो for an Indian skin tone you will get it. So do not wait upon it, just go grab it, buy it, purchase it. So these were the things that I purchased from Amazon, offline, online, but I have completely used all of these products. I'll suggest, if you already have products like body lotion, moisturizer, do not repurchase या उसको फेंक के नया मत लेना, उसे इस्तेमाल कर लो. When you are purchasing something new, then go ahead with these products. If you like it, you purchase it. If you need it, you purchase it. If you don't need it, कोई बात नहीं, आराम से आपके पास ये वीडियो है, इसे सेव कर लो, इसे शेयर कर लो या बुकमार्क कर लो, देन वापस से रिविजिट करना एंड देन ये प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदना, ठीक है? बिकॉज पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते एंड ये प्रोडक्ट्स आपको हमेशा सेल पे मिल जाएंगे. इफ यू वांट सी मोर सच कंटेंट, do subscribe to my channel, and guess what, I'm not just coming up for makeup skincare. There are so many content ideas I have scripted and I will see you every week, I promise. And before going again, hey, I wish you a happy new year. Bye.